Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss a very interesting special variable from Python, that is name. Guys, you have seen in many Python script that the main function, the name function is always checking with main to call some method. Like I have created a method function, some function and with printing messages. Call this in like here we have defined another method like main and in which we have called that some fun. And again, we call our main function here. When we execute this, is between I am handling a lot of function. We can also call this like here. If name equal main. Actually, the name special variable always return main in on script. Like in this script, when we run the name will always print main. So here we are execute checking for if name returning main, then we will call our main method because we want to execute it within this script, the script one. If we import this script one file as a module in script, then this will not return the call because the name will not return the main. It will return the script and the main would not be called. Like now we will execute this here. I am handling a lot of function, but suppose we include this like script one here, import script one as S7 and execute our program. So it will print nothing. You are seeing here no message. But suppose we will if we comment this and call this without checking in if condition, then it will print that message. You can see here it will return that message. But when we check this and run this, it will not. So guys, the main difference is when we want to execute any specific method in our main script, then we will check with the name special variable with main value to call that method. And in any scenario, if that our primary script called imported in any other script, then that function will not be executed. So this is the main uh, use of the name special variable in Python. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So don't forget to like and share this tutorial and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.